Hi, Deacon John Wilson here, Education Enrichment Director for West Angeles. Thought I'd go over some of our upcoming events. We have some great events that are upcoming. Gives me a chance to um, meet with a lot of you in the community and have some great colleges that are coming in to speak. And we'll be adding things to it from time to time. But I want you to go to our website often and check our events. We have such good things that are happening. And you'll learn a lot about what we're thinking about colleges and affordable colleges this year as well. So hang on. Let's take a look at our website and look at that. So here we are on our website. It's www, but don't say www, westa-eep.org. That's all you got to do. Go there and instantly you find out in the upper left-hand corner, we have Instagram, Facebook, we're on social media, and more importantly, our YouTube channel is right here. And that's how you go to our YouTube channel. And why don't you go there and subscribe to get all my latest videos? I've done over 1,200. I've been blessed by the Lord to be able to do that. We keep them really short and informative. Why don't you go in there and take a look at the kinds of videos that we have in here this time of year, especially. I'm extremely active and come on, won't you join us? I'd like to get us up over 700 subscribers, so we'll increase our reach across the country. We already saw at 500, we're getting people across the country seeing our videos. Why don't you help us out? I know we don't charge a lot of money for our programs, but go subscribe to our channel and periodically see a video, and we keep them short so you can watch them all the way through. All right, now back to the website. Okay. So it's www, well, no, just westa-eep.org. And I showed you our social media in the upper left corner. And then in here under latest, you get our events, programs. They're the different programs that we have you can learn about. SAT prep, college tours, homework club, language lab, college checklist, graduating seniors. So it even includes graduates, alumni resources if you know someone that wants to get on our email list for those. And it links closely with our career stuff, which is right next to it. We have job resources, becoming a mentor for us and working with us. But the one I want to talk about today is our events. If you click events under latest, you will see some of the things we have planned. Here we go. September 28th, which is a week from today, that night, we're going to have a class of 2026. We got to correct that. It says 25. Class of 2026 Zoom meeting. So we need to say that. I'll get that corrected. We invite also 11th grade students from class of 27. And if you want to come to that event, it's online. We're going to cover facets of the important, time dependent, like right now, time appropriate things that are happening in the college mission process. Just open up, view the event. You can go down, you can RSVP right here. What are we going to cover? The CSU and UC admissions process, pre-FAFSA preparation, upcoming college visits, and how to properly tour a college. We'll do much more as well that I want to cover in current events and how to read some of the current events happening with college. We really want to help you with that. Okay, so that's that. That's on the September 28th. Then we have the 11th of October, Boise State. We're going to have a college representative from Boise State is going to be presenting why it's great to be a Bronco meter in person at Family Life Center again. View the event. You can go right down here in RSVP. It'll be Saturday, October 11th, 10 to 11. But this is very interesting. This is a good day to visit our program because the same day at 11 o'clock, once you walk through our Christian College Fair hosted by NACAP, which is the North American Coalition for Admissions Professionals, there's going to be about 15 to 20 Christian schools present in the concourse of our cathedral. Why don't you view the event here? If you view the event, I believe we have it. Yeah, we have it. You can register for the event right here with the Christian college people. When you click there, they'll have your goodie bag ready for you, and there'll be college matchmaking, worthwhile investments, a lot of good stuff. You click here again, and you actually register for the event. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, which once you do that, that will really help us in our planning to help the Christian college people to help you to be involved. So we have that on the 11th. So you can come down at 10 o'clock and walk through the fair and be out of here by 11:30 or 12. We really need you to do that. I want to keep good things like that coming to our church, coming to actually visiting our church and our program. It's very important. I don't want the Christian college people I think we're the only fully Black neighborhood, and we have mostly Black attendees. It's one of the few they have like that. I want to keep this one going. Why don't you tell some friends about it? I'll say more about that fair as we get closer. Lakewood City College Fair is going to be on the 14th. Over 70 colleges will be present at that fair. Find your perfect college fit. There's going to be a chance to win a scholarship. They give away more than one. I think I've had a student win that one time. Once you come to the college fair, there's the address. It's the Lakewood at the center, which is City Hall, Long Beach, on Clark Avenue. Over 70 colleges, transfer options, etc. No pre-registration is needed. Here's the flyer. You can go right to our site. No, you can do that. And you can register for the fair. I think I don't see it. Oh, no, you don't have to do that. That's right. Just come on. Come on to the fair. Okay, no pre-registration is needed. All right, this is a good fair to visit. It's nice and small and cozy, and the reps they usually send are actually employed by the university because the dates they're having this is when a lot of the colleges are in town anyway. We have a table at that fair. Come on by and say hello to us. We really appreciate that, okay? Then we have October 22nd. I'll be speaking in Lakewood at the Youth Center over on Woodruff. I'm going to be speaking there. There's my mug there. And of course, down here, you can, why don't you let us know you're coming? Register for the workshop. You need to register for the workshop so that the Lakewood people know how many copies of my materials to make available. There's even a phone number for more information. It's best for 10th, 12th graders to attend this, although you can send any age. Parents, why don't you come over too? I'll speak for about an hour and a half. Look what I'm going to cover. The college admission process, where should you apply, what will it cost? I'm going to cover that. I'm going to cover the Common App in UC. I'm going to talk about the FAFSA. I'm going to talk about what you and your team should be doing to get ready to apply for college by grade level. I'm going to cover each grade level. What does loan forgiveness rejection mean for the student's future? Okay, so we're going to talk about some of the changes in the current administration. There are a lot of lies being told about it and misstatements. I'll give you the clear truth about what the changes in the HR1, which is the so-called Big Beautiful Bill. Talk about loan forgiveness. I think it's important before they go to college, parents to know how it works. We're going to talk about the new digital SAT, what it means for high GPA students, and we're going to have a question and answer segment. They're usually pretty lively. I might cover a few other things too. I might also do that. So why don't you go in there and sign up for my talk in Lakewood if you're in the south part of the city. Hope to see you in the southeast part of the county. If you're over in Cerritos or Orange County, come on over, and I'll be glad to see you. I'd love to see you there. Let's pack that place out. Last year we had a nice crowd. I hope some of you can get over there and see that. It'd be very good. Okay, I'm probably going to give away some things too that day, like maybe some SAT prep for 11th graders. Maybe I'll let students register for different things we're going to do later in the year for our seniors. I'll announce those as we get closer. I want to make that a really big event. Let's get finished here. I don't want to make this video too long. That's the 22nd. On the 25th, I'm going to do an affordability presentation at the Family Life Center at West Angeles. You go on in here and would you go ahead and RSVP for that event? I'll be glad to tell you about these kind of things. What will college cost? Can I afford college? 5 great colleges you can't afford, 5 great colleges you can afford. Potential FAFSA problems, why Christian college, and much, much more. Come on out to this event. It'd be very good for you to do that. Let's see, and I think that's about it. I have one more event we've planned. Well, of course, the tours, Boise State on the 26th. We'll be going to visit Boise State. You can RSVP for that. I have Cal State Bakersfield coming on November 1st. On November 8th, we're going to DC to see Howard University and George. If you're interested in this trip, hurry up. I got a feeling that we're going to have a lot of sign. We already had 5 or 6 signups for this trip. So go ahead and sign up for the trip. Let's get your student over to see Howard. I'll call everybody that signs up for any of our tours. We want to see about going to Seattle Pacific. They're going to be at the Christian College Fair. That's the point of that. And I'm going to have somebody from Seattle Pacific do a video on this channel right here. Here, I want to see students come out to maybe go up on the trip to Seattle Pacific. Sacramento State, we're going on December 12th, and Sonoma on February 13th. All right, that's a good rundown of the activity. We have a lot of exciting activities coming up. I do hope, parents, that you will get your students involved in these activities. Tell some friends about it, spread it around. We want to really increase our involvement at our Family Life Center, which is a beautiful facility. Actually, I'm going to do a video on that real soon. It's a great place, safe place, and great newly built, just beautiful and modern for your student to come and learn, for you to come to meetings. And in our center, we're going to try to get back in person more. And there'll be some of our meetings will not be available on video, like the Lakewood meeting. I think copyright does not allow me to stream it. And I wouldn't stream it anyway. I think you should come on out and meet me. I got a good chance to meet you. I want to take advantage of it. God bless you. Thank you very much. Hope this didn't get too long. If you like this kind of video and you want to see more of it, click like and subscribe, like the video, and then click subscribe. Obviously, if you watched it all the way through, you think this is important information. That will be very helpful to us to keep and improve the reach of our videos. We want to be literally reach across this nation, telling students about affordable college and how to get their careers started. God bless you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.